Welcome to the Text Functions Guide. In this section, we'll explore the various functions that help you manipulate and work with text in Engini. Whether you're trimming spaces, joining strings, or searching for specific characters, these functions will make handling text much easier. Let's dive in and see how they work. If you go to the Functions tab, you will see several function categories. You can filter the desired function by typing it directly or by navigating through the categories. Today, we choose the Text Functions category. Many functions such as concat, slice, replace, and more will appear. Each function comes with an explanation on how to use it. Let's start with the concat function. The concat function is used to combine two or more strings or text expressions into a single string. It doesn't modify the original strings but returns a new string as the result of the concatenation. For example, if we combine the strings hello and world, the concat function will return the result as hello world. Let's test this by using the concat function to join the words hello and world. After saving and testing, the output will be hello world. Next, let's look at the replace function. This function replaces one or more occurrences of a substring in a string with a new substring. It doesn't modify the original string but returns a new one after the replacement. The function takes three arguments: the original text, the substring to replace, and the new substring to replace it with. For example, if we have the text good morning and we want to replace morning with evening, the replace function will return good evening. Let's test this by replacing morning with evening in the text. After saving and testing, the result will be good evening. Let's explore the SUBSTRING function. This function extracts a portion of a string and returns it as a subset of characters. It takes three arguments: the original text, the starting index of the substring, and an optional length. If the length isn't specified, the function will extract from the starting point to the end of the string. Note that the index count starts at 1, not 0. For example, if we use the text hello, world, and start at the 8th character, with a length of 5, the substring function will return world. Let's test this by extracting a substring starting at the 8th character and taking 5 characters. After saving and testing, the output will be world. Let's take a look at the slice function. This function extracts a portion of a string and returns it as a new string. It works like the substring function but allows you to specify both the starting and optional ending indexes. If the ending index isn't provided, it will slice from the starting point to the end of the string. Note that the index starts at 1. For example, slicing from the 8th to the 12th character of hello, world, will return world. Let's test this by slicing from the 8th to the 12th character. After saving and testing, the result will be world. Let's move on to the TOLOWER function. This function converts all the letters in a string to lowercase and returns a new string. For example, converting hello with uppercase letters to lowercase will result hello with lowercase letters. Let's test this by using the TOLOWER function. After saving and testing, the output is indeed hello with lowercase letters. Now let's take a look at the TOUPPER function. This function converts all the letters in a string to uppercase and returns a new string. For example, converting hello with lowercase letters to uppercase gives us hello with uppercase letters. Let's test this by using the TOUPPER function. After saving and testing, the output will be hello in uppercase letters. Let's explore the INDEXOF function. This function returns the position of the first occurrence of a specified value in a string. The index count starts at 1. For example, searching for cat in the cat is here will return 5, as that's where cat starts. Let's test this by searching for cat in the text. After saving and testing, the result will be 5. Let's take a look at the NTHINDEXOF function. This function returns the index of the nth occurrence of a specified value in a string. This is case insensitive, and the index count starts at 1. For example, searching for the third occurrence of is In the text, this is a test. Is this working? We'll return 17. Let's test this by searching for the third occurrence of is in the text. After saving and testing, the result will be 17. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has helped you get started with some key text functions. Be sure to join us again for the second part, where we'll explore even more ways to work with text. See you next time.